This program has been designed to assist you to understand and practice precision measuring in the engineering field. During this program, you will be shown the basic principles of reading and maintaining conventional metric outside micrometers. The principal purpose of an outside micrometer is to measure very accurately thickness and diameters of precision parts or components. When you are able to correctly read a micrometer, you will also be able to gauge measurements up to 1/100th of a millimeter. But before you start measuring, let's begin by identifying the principal parts of a typical outside micrometer.